All right, I just finished up. I left the sample inside a little doorway thing. Should be good to go.
Thank you, sir. Just please be sure to sign out on your way out of the section.
No problem. Easiest $100 I've ever made. Guess you could say that pleasure was mine.
Gross.
Oh, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Were you the one who left the sample in the door thing?
Yeah. What?
I have never seen anything like that sample. I've seen lots of semen samples before, but I've never seen one quite like that.
What do you mean, quite like that?
It's just, usually a semen sample contains millions and millions of microscopic sperm.
Yeah.
But yours is different. It just contains a single giant sperm.
Do I still get my $100?
I mean, of course, yes, for sure. If that's
Great.
That's what.
Well, thanks, Doc.
No, wait.
What?
I have a lot of questions. Like, how long has this been going on, and how does it come out of your body, and what have your sexual partners said about this?
Well,
And where did it learn to sing?
And a ride at Epcot Center. One more time for the giant sperm. What? You're the last woman I have left, Lily.
I know, I'm all spermed out, you know?
If you want strong female characters, come to the writing session, okay?
You know,
it was just guys.
I thought about that, but you know, I think I'm having a quarter life crisis. You know, maybe there's more to life than being funny and throwing ass on stage.
I doubt it. But go.
You're right, I'll try it.
Find your truth.
I hate to punch.
I tell you, you can retire.
Having a giant baby.
Go.
Fine.
All right.
How you doing? Good?
I'm great, yeah.
All right. Bye.
You ever had a repair person come to your house?
Let's go, Anarchy Fun Time Show. It's the Anarchy Fun Time Show. It's a show.
The internet's out again. How am I gonna be able to get my fans all the toe pics they want? It's so boring.
Oh, howdy there. I'm an AT&T repairman. What's the problem?
Yeah, thank God you're here. The internet's out.
Oh, gosh. In the whole flat?
Yeah, everywhere.
It's probably a router problem. Well, no problem. I'll hunt that thing down and take care of the problem or replace it for you.
That's great. I'll show you where it is.
I can find a router myself. You sit tight.
Okay.
Like, do I not seem like the kind of person who could find a router? That's hogwash.
You're good, yeah.
Like I need luck. Alright. Oh shit. No. Fuck. God damn it! Son of a whore on a Sunday!
Do you need any help?
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, come on, you can't talk to me like that.
I need to focus on finding your router, sir.
Okay, it's in the bedroom.
No, it's not. I already checked there.
It's on the dresser.
No, routers can sense when I'm coming and they often hide from me.
No, that's ridiculous. Just wait here, I'll be right back.
Hold on.
What is it? Shh. I have the...
Shut up. Stop.
I have...
It won't stop. I can hear it. Come here, you bitch. It's in the walls!
What?
Fuck yeah, I got it!
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Nice. Now, guess we just see what the problem is.
Okay.
Check the old factory reset button.
What do you think?
Todd? It's still not working. Huh, I don't seem to know what's wrong with it, but I'll tell you what.
Okay.
I'm gonna go out there, find you a new router. I'll install it for you for free. No
No.
problem.
You know what? I'll take it. I'll take care of all of it. Don't worry about it. I got it. I can do it.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, you keep that.
Yeah.
You just let me know, like, if you need anything, like AT&T.
Yeah, and don't worry. I got an electrician coming over later to check out the wires.
Wires?
Yeah.
Yeah, these bitches look frayed.
Anarchy Fun Time Show. It's the Anarchy Fun Time Show. It's a show, it's a hell of a show, and it's the Anarchy Fun Time Show.
Hey, honey, we're back from the flea market. Oh my gosh, it was a total bust. It was just a bunch of junk and some bad-smelling raccoon skulls.
Even worth it. We should have just gone to brunch and called it a day.
What are they doing?
Oh God! Oh, it's so tight.
Oh, yeah.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
I don't want to shame you, but are you in love or what's going on? No, you know what? I do want to shame you. Are you cheating on me? You said jujitsu was a phase. What is this?
Cheryl, that's not what it looks like.
No, we should be straight up with him. We should just tell him.
Oh, okay. Cheryl, it's exactly what it looks like.
Please tell us what's going on.
Okay, well, you ladies had your day of fun, going to the flea market and shopping and brunching and all that. Well, we felt left out.
What?
So we went to the arcade and played some games and pulled our tickets together, and we didn't have very many, so all we could afford was a Chinese finger trap.
Yeah, we came home. We put on some sports on TV. It was only tennis, so nothing exciting. We got bored, so we started playing with the Chinese finger trap.
We put our fingers in, got stuck, got out.
Put our other fingers in, got stuck, and got out.
Yeah, then the next logical step is to stick our dicks in, and now we're stuck.
How is that the next logical step? Explain that.
100%. I mean, we did have some pizza rolls and some corn dogs in between. But other than that, we've been stuck like this for most of the afternoon.
So, you're not cheating on me with your best friend?
No, baby, I love you. We renewed our wedding vows after 20 years of marriage, and I meant what I said last week, till death do us part. There is nothing that can get between us.
We gotta find a way to get out of this. We're beyond tip to tip. We are fully docked.
Yeah. And this is not how I wanted to find out my best friend is uncircumcised.
Okay, so what do we do? Do we just call the fire department?
No fire department!
Why?
We were just responding to a call. Curiosity got the best of us.
Happy hour. Yeah. Straight up shots.